Hello everyone, I am Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 4G Plus and the 4G speed test comparison between the iQOO7 versus Realme X7 Max device. So this is a special kind of video which I am going to do, friends, because in this video I'll try to do the 4G speed test in these two phones in the extreme village type environment, friends. So I did come into the farm, so let's see in this kind of outdoor kind of locations. So either the Realme X7 Max will be getting the 4G Plus or iQOO7 will be getting the 4G Plus. So this is what I'm going to test in this entire video, so try to watch till end of the video, friends, to get to know the shocking results. So the reason why I'm saying shocking you will understand later, so try to watch till end. And right now I'm using the Jio SIM card in both phones. So both phones, they do have the Jio SIM card successfully installed. And one more thing, both phones, they are successfully compatible with the 4G Plus aggregation, so there is no doubt in that 4G Plus aggregation. So right now in the NetMonster application I was unable to see two phones not detecting any kind of 4G Plus. You can clearly see, friends, it's not detecting two phones. So but in the notification panel I'll try to focus again later on, so you'll be able to see that. But in the iQOO7 device, surprisingly you are seeing the 2CA. As you can see, friends, Jio SIM card, same Jio SIM card in the iQOO7, I'm getting 2CA right now, as you can see here. Even in the Realme X7 Max you will get the 4G Plus later on. When I started the test I did receive the 4G Plus, so I'm trying to use the Jio SIM only in the Realme X7 Max also. So both phones are Jio SIM networks, but let's test what will be the speeds if you're trying to do the testing in this kind of extreme outdoor kind of situation. So this is what I'm going to test in both videos, and make sure to hit that subscribe, friends, in case if you haven't hit. And sorry for that kind of reflections of the tree. So now let me try to show you the results. In both phones I did that speed test at same time, and the Realme X7 Max, you can see the speeds increased. The reason is because the Realme X7 Max is getting 4G Plus, as you can clearly see, friends, on the top of notification panel. So Realme X7 Max is getting the 4G Plus signal, and that is the reason you did see 49 Mbps. So whereas the iQOO7 device right now, it did get about only 39 Mbps, not much, as you can clearly see, friends, and upload speeds are 6 Mbps only. So 49 and 39. So I'll try to do the test just second time, just for the safe side, as you can see. So overall, the both phones, they are capable of receiving the 4G Plus signals, but right now you can see both phones are having the 4G Plus only, iQOO7 and the Realme X7 Max. So both are having the 4G Plus, but in this condition I think the Realme X7 Max is getting slightly higher speeds. As you can see, friends, 50 Mbps you are getting here in the Realme X7 Max. So this is what the difference I did find out, friends. So if you're trying to use the same SIM card and both supports 4G Plus connectivity, and both phones also supports, and both SIMs also supports, everything is same, but you can see the different kind of results. I'm trying to do the test multiple times just to make you understand that what is happening here. So as you can see, friends, this is an extreme outdoor kind of environment. So right now the Realme X7 Max went up to 50 Mbps as well. So I'm going to try again in the iQOO7 how much the iQOO7 will be reaching the speeds, and both are using the same kind of server, which is a Jio server. Right now I'm trying to use both phones, and the iQOO7 can reach up to 32 Mbps, as you can see, friends, at this point. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between the both phones, and overall these are the final results. And make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, and thank you for watching this video, friends. I'll try to do more and more outdoor farming type 4G test as well. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.